Guys, this is the indoors park. It's my kids are, where are they? Somewhere in there. We're just gonna find them. Guys, we're leaving the Kalahari. It's been what do you guys think so far?
It's really fun. It's
yeah?
fun. It's really nice.
What do you think, Abel? It was good.
It was
Would you
fun.
come back again? Oh. This is the lobby of the Kalahari. This is the famous African elder. I don't know the African themes animals again, and I'm gonna tell you the names. This is the buffalo, or we call it Nyati. This is the lion, we call it Simba. This is the elephant, we call that Tembo. And this is the tiger, we call her Chui. This is the rhino, we call her Kiboko. And this is the gift shop where you can buy everything. And Karoo, just for your information, is a place in Africa, a village. And this is the lobby. Okay. Hey guys, this is the 2-bedroom apartment at the Kalahari Water Park Resorts. Just excuse me with the mess here. This is the room we booked for our family of 6. Immediately you get in, you're gonna see the first bathroom and the shower, the sink. This is the boiler room. This is the iron and ironing board. This is a sentry safe where you put your belongings and you put your password. And this is a locked area because they have a water heater there and the heating system. So they have extra linen, extra towels. As you go in this way, you're gonna see the fridge, microwave, the kitchen, the little kitchen coffee area, our trash. Kids' bedroom is over here. We came in and everything was, the light is not working for some reasons. Okay, I have to make it work. Come on, lights. What happened? Okay, where did they go wrong? Okay, so I'm just gonna show the living room area, the TV, the African man in the village, you know, like in the river. And this is Mr. Simba, photo of Mr. Simba, photo of Mr. Tembo. That's a functioning fireplace. This is how you turn it on. And that's how we had the warmth, the real fireplace. This is the living room lobby. And in front of you there is the outdoors park. And all the apartments for the people to come over here and just families to come and spend time here. It's an African theme, so don't be surprised if you see, you know, zip lines, safari, nice elephants. In fact, the big 5 African animals are the theme over here. So that is a big balcony. Okay, going back here, you're gonna see Mr. Simba. And that's actually somewhere in Africa, specifically Kenya. I know by the trees. This is the master bedroom. In the master bedroom, there's another TV here. There's Mr. Mr. Ape. Gorilla is the other name. Ape Man is the other name. And this particular drawing was inspired by the apes from, the gorillas from the Virunga National Park. Virunga National Park is in Congo, Eastern Congo, Western Uganda, and Northern Rwanda. I just love all the drawings on the baseboards and all the brown themes and white. Wow. Master bath. So a master bath here was dope. It has a whirlpool tub, and it was just fun, using that. Another nice places, nice lighting, nice fun. Extra towels everywhere. There was a dryer over there. Extra trash everywhere, trash containers. And let me just make sure I have the lights off. Make sure I turn off the heat. There you go. The heat is off. Nice dining set. This is one of our IDs. This is the key card. This is how you open the door. I'm just gonna turn off the lights here. And I was not able to figure out how to turn on the lights here. Let's see if I can. There's a TV here. Oh boys. Okay, so I was not able to turn on the lights, but there's 2 full beds here, 2 queen beds. And I'm sorry, I was not able to figure out how to turn on the lights. So bye-bye this wonderful place. We'll come back again next year. Smells really good. Everything is on point. And this is the epitome of everything. The villages in Western Africa. Wonderful. Thank you guys. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Same as that one.
Tomorrow, I'm off tomorrow. Yeah. I'll see about coming in, but that's this book tomorrow.
Those are the rooms that are being cleaned.
Yeah, it's funny. You don't have any coworkers. Yeah, you don't. Yeah, that's why,
So we're just trying to get out of the building here.
Because you don't have any work. Yeah, I don't think
Guys, the sad part about the industry is how they got all the African wood straight out of Africa, all the way to the Americas. Huh. Okay, let's talk about more. This is another African wood straight out of Africa. Oh, look at that cabinet, people. No, this is African wood, hardwood.
Even the way the tree is.
Even that.
You can tell the way it is. I see where it is from. No.
No, this is actually made in Kenya.
How do you know that for a fact?
Huh?
How do you know that for a fact?
Makuti.
Look at this.
You call this Makuti?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is not where you find it from.
You know the sad part. You just wish this is not a real African animal. But It doesn't look like an African animal, so that makes me feel better. Yeah. There's more African artifacts over here. I think this is the one of the hardwoods again. It was carved. Bunch of all the African representations, the crocodiles, the elephants. That is the buffalo, and this is the rhino. I want to go buy something like this. Real wood. And the masks. Ramp access. And this is Lake Erie. So guys, this is the indoors park. It's, my kids are, where are they? Somewhere in there. We're just gonna find them. Mini golf. You know that dude? I've seen this photo in Africa. He's a famous explorer.
Was that the same hot tub?
That was the same hot tub we were in yesterday.
Was it in?
Yeah?
I think it was somewhere here.
Nope, it was that one and then it goes in.
Indoor, outdoor.
Yeah. So we're gonna go in the hot tub over there. We're gonna put everything in the car. You wanna go pull the car? Guys, we're leaving the Kalahari. It's been, what do you guys think so far?
It's really fun.
Yeah?
It's really nice.
What do you think, Abel? It was good?
It was
Would you
fun.
come back again? Oh, you know, Zambezi Falls. Yeah. And that's in Kalahari. Yeah. Did you guys see the Zambezi Falls? And this is the Zambezi River. That's a Victoria Falls in Africa. Yeah, I did. I dried it up, yeah. Because I had to dry it up. You guys, this is the famous bridge at the Victoria Falls, Zambezi River. They have a bridge like this, exactly like this. You can go and look in YouTube. Yeah. Alan, let me tell you some. Kalani, I gotta tell you some. Do you know what this is? Kiboko. It's called Kiboko. Mercy, Amo, do you know the name of this animal in Swahili? No, Kiboko. No, Kiboko. Don't step on the dot. Now, do you guys know the name of that family? Tembo. Oh, no, it's a Swahili word for elephant. Tembo. Tembo. Tembea. Tembea is walk. Yeah.
Abi MP, le producer. Mama Nikina Jennifer, na yo say, Cristelo za wapi? Yeah. Mama Salima, Mama Rose na Tibu. C'est Jazz Africa mon oncle. Mogroso vient en Toleka.